Alright guys, we're working with multiplication equations. I'm going to hide this information, but I want you to note the variable has flipped to the other side of the equation this time. So in this case, I have 16 is equal to 8 times r. So let's go ahead and solve this problem. The first step is to locate the variable r. It's right here. Step 2 is to think, how can I isolate this variable? I need to get rid of this value 8. I need to get 8 on the other side of the equation. Step 3 is to do the inverse operation, so I want to divide by 8 in this case. Alright, so let's go ahead and solve this problem. The first step is to locate the variable. R is right here. The second step is to think, how can I isolate r? Well, I need to get this 8 on the other side of the equation. Step 3 is to do the inverse operation. Since I'm multiplying 8 and r together, I want to divide. So let's divide by 8 on this side of the equation. Step 4 is to keep the equation balanced. So if I do it to this side, I'm going to do it to the other. So divide by 8. Alright, and now we can solve this problem. I'm just going to change pin colors. Well, 16 divided by 8 gives a value of 2. And that is equal to whatever happens on this side of the equation, this stuff, when I'm going to cancel the 2 8's out. 8 divided by 8 is 1, and I'm left with r on this side. So 2 is equal to r. Step 5, it's to check your work. So I'm going to substitute 2 in for r in the original equation. So I'm going to change pin colors again. So I have 16 is equal to 8 times 2. I'm going to bring that 16 down. So I have 16 is equal to, well, 8 times 2 will give a value of 16, and this checks out. So I'm going to bring this solution down, and 2 equals r is correct, but I'm going to flip this so that I lead with the variable. So r is equal to 2, and I'm going to box this information up. Cool, let's take a look at another problem. So let's hide this information, pull a new problem up on the screen. Alright, so let's isolate the variable b. I'm going to divide by 3 on this side of the equation and on the other. 18 divided by 3 will give a value of 6, which is equal to 3 divided by 3 cancel out, and I'm left with b. And I'm going to take 6 and substitute it into the original equation for b. So I have 18 is equal to 3 times 6. Alright, so this stuff on this side of the equation is 18, and 3 times 6, that's equal to 18. This checks out, so I'm going to rewrite the solution below, leading with the variable. So b is equal to 6. Cool, I'll see you in another video.